In commercial flooring, scale changes everything. We're on site in West Palm Beach, and we aren't just coating a floor. We are taking over 11,800 square feet of high end automotive real estate, 4,800 square feet in this main bay, and a massive 7,000 square foot expansion right next door. A space this size handles tens of thousands of pounds of machinery, constant chemical spills, and heavy traffic daily. 90% of commercial floors fail for one simple reason: bad surface preparation. Cheap contractors just roll product over dirty concrete. At National Concrete Polishing, we grind down to the deep, open pores of the slab to ensure an unbreakable bond. While the big planetary grinders handle the main floor plates, our team is on hand grinders mapping out the corners, the pillars, and the bases of the lifts. We are officially two-thirds of the way through the grinding process on this first bay, getting it smooth, porous, and completely free of contaminants. The canvas is officially prepped, but the clock is ticking. In the next episode, the transformation completely changes gears as we mix the industrial base coats and broadcast thousands of pounds of custom flake to lock this facility in. If your commercial shop needs a floor built to last, DM us or visit our website to schedule a site consultation. Hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in episode 2.